We've gone foraging. Ital farm to table. What is it?
It's a cucumber.
Ah.
And then the okra, the okra.
This is the oak. Oh, look at that.
And just pick them.
Just pick them out. Oh, they're a little spiky. I've never.
Strong man, you know. I gotta rip it then now.
Oh, I brought the leaf for that.
Oh, she's strong enough. One more is on there. Yeah, nice.
It's quite big.
Yes.
These are the biggest okras I've ever seen.
Naturally grown too, you know.
Yeah.
No arches.
My hand is a bit itchy. What does that mean?
Itchy?
From the okra.
Probably just a little
it does to some people. It's a bit, bit itchy.
It's just these little tiny fibers.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Don't try to spread it all over the place. Another bush.
Another bush. This is duck plant, right? Is this duck plant? Or okay. Do you have which one? This one is good for the blood, right?
I'm not sure.
Or
but seriously, it's good for the blood.
uh huh.
So it's a blood cleanser. And that's on the road. When you walk on the road, you can see that.
Yeah.
People use that to curate your body. This is called coco. This is a book that I'm researching in the book.
What is it called?
It's called coco. But maybe you don't want to put that in there because I'm not sure the benefits.
Oh, you're not sure.
I have the book over the house.
You guys can look it up. Y'all have Google for a reason.
So, you know. But this is green steak. This is good for cool. This is everybody knows this is in Jamaica. This is a green steak. We call it green steak because it's easy to catch and people use it to plant fence along their lines and their line. And it's really bitter, but it's very good for when you have a cold. We'll go on a banana walk. Look at the banana walk.
Oh yes, this is how you get to little town. Banana walk. Oop.
Normally the road is there. We should have cut through there and just come this way. My bad.
Oh, now I understand why it's so quick to walk.
Yeah. Look at the bananas. You can also boil those. It's a common Jamaican. Just boil the unripe banana. Breadfruit tree. Eh?
It's loaded with breadfruit. This one is big one.
Oh.
This would be a nice tree house, you know.
That would. That's huge. It's huge. Let's build one. Oop. I got a bit excited.
So like that is a mature one, the big giant leaves. And people use the leaf to eat off of it when them cooking in the bush and them don't have a plate. And just share with them food. If them have like a little, some of the guys just travel with one pot and a spoon. And, you know, like people eat off of that. But underneath is the coco, which is it's like a yam, and it's good as well. The leaves, the young ones. That's what Jamaicans cook with them. For the people in the bush, they know that you take the younger ones and you cut them and you you blanch them a little bit, like quick 20 minutes. Because sometimes what happens is some people get a allergic reaction where it itches their throat. Yeah, because it has a little bit of stain in it. So if I should eat this now, the stain would affect my throat because I'm a little bit itchy to it. So I normally boil it first, and then after I boil it, chop it up and use it. And it has a lot of benefits to it. Yeah, man.
This is disgusting.
And then we know the banana flour we can use as well. This has a lot of iron. So like for a woman who loses a lot of blood and go through the menstruation, you can boil this, the banana, it has a lot of iron in it. So as we already know, a lot of Jamaicans cook with this stuff. Them chop it up, just chop it up. You get a good half an hour because it has a little staininess to it. So you boil out that, the water is gonna look all purple. And then afterwards it gets really nice and soft. Nice little meaty texture to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. But we can cook that one at a time so, and play around with that. You guys can research it.
Right, I guess.
Yeah, man. Research the cocoa leaf and the benefits of it, and research the banana flour. You know, the banana flour is packed with iron. All of our food in the jungle, you can play around with that.
Lots of food.
You know, if you look at our teeth, you know, we are carnivores. We are carnivores. Carnivores.
Herbivores?
Yes. So much. Carnivores rip up the meat. You know, mankind is herbivore. We're supposed to eat them things.
Eat plants.
Supposed to eat like goats, you know.
Yes, like goats.
Big and strong.
Yep.
And all them eat the grass. Like that's I mean, that's why really a cow meat we should eat. We shouldn't even eat chicken meat. You know what I mean?
But you're getting chicken tonight.
Yeah. Yeah.
You have to spill the beans.
Yeah, he's like, don't expose it. I'll cut it off. It's okay. I'll cut it off. I'm like, what?
I'm an activist now.
Rasta Bushman eats.
Yeah, we should be eating the cow because we need on the grass. And meat clean, you know?
Wow.
What is that? Like reeds or?
Oh, wow.
So that is,
They're so tall.
These things we call them wild cane.
Wild cane.
Yeah, them protect the side of the river.
Interesting.
So when the river gets high and come down, the soil don't get washed away so easily.
Protect homes, I guess, as well.
Yeah, man. It's they love going on the riverside and stuff.
Wow, that's so cool. How right? That's so cool.
It's just like when you have the you go into the swamp.
Yeah.
And when you go into the swamp, you have
Mosquitoes just keep moving.
Yeah.
the mangroves that protect the land and stuff.
Oh.
Between, you know, it creates like an ecosystem. You know. These are some fighting chickens that are going.
Oh.
And fight them.
They fight.
He takes them to the cockfight where they fight against each other and stuff. And then this is a guinea tree, so the guinea really sweet. You can get on long enough stick longer than that. You can try to go over there. This is the you come.
Fighting chickens is funny.
Are you going over?
Huh?
Are you going over?
Over there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, I come over.
Oh.
I don't know if my legs
Just
quite long enough for this.
take a little leap. Hi, fighting chickens. Y'all ready to post up 24/7, huh? Fighting chickens. I'd like to come push. What? How did you get up there?
That happened real quick.
Wow. He's up in the tree. My goal by leaving Jamaica is to climb a giant tree like this and not fall and break my arm.
Yeah, I will.
Then I will know.
Mission.
Then I will know that I have reclaimed my liberty.
Oh, you've got one eye.
Oh no, he got bear. This
They
one,
were probably fighting.
I know
as you
this
said.
one is
Oh my god, heads.
ornery. Ema. I know this one likes to fight. This one looks,
Yeah.
he looks mean.
What's this bird here?
I'm sorry that you.
Catch it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Get up them. Yum.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, there's a few branches. Oh my god.
Lots of food and stuff.
Get up. Get up them.
One there. Alright, you ready?
Sorry. Yummy.
Normally with the raft across though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. And especially when the river is higher. Yeah, it gets low now, so everybody just walk across.
Yeah.
But when it's higher, everybody just when it's high sometimes and it's water, because then you just walk all the way up and just swim.
Wagwan.
I see you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
These are the fever grass.
Oh yeah, fever grass.
The jelly them. Yeah, man.
Get some.
Don't worry yourself, man. Yeah. Sounds good. Alright, cool. Yeah, man. We did some to this though. Go on there. Everybody loves a plant of trees and stuff. To pick him up.
Large stick. This is our ackee stick. Look at this. These aren't ready yet. Man, very high up there. Eh?
Look at my phone.
Alright. Guys, this is the ackee tree that we're going to pick from. And you can see them. You see them open everywhere. And them they all but when I just look and you can pick them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get some dry leaves and build one little fire for them. And skip them and pick them.
Okay.
Low-hanging fruit.
Yes. So what I will leave out of
How do you know if they're ready? Because I know
the ones that are open.
only the ones open.
Only the ones that are open.
Okay.
Pick it.
You just
Can it
push
drop?
it. Drop.
Yeah, but
It's okay to drop.
Just drop it.
because it's the first time. Twist it. Push it, stick and twist the stick now. Twist.
There's technique. Oh, you did it.
I got it.
You got it. Let me get the bag for you. Okay. You got it. I made it.
One place, you know, they might get you if you just keep moving around.
Made a quick little fire here with some bush to keep the mosquito them away. It's gonna jump.
This is the two back on ackee. One tree is not good. Not good.
No.
Where it drops.
Let me help you pick quick and then you guys can pick up one, alright? Ready?
Alright,
Yeah.
let's see. How do you do it quick?
Oh.
Oh.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, nearly close it.
Oh. Oh, grass. Haha, perfect. Oh, that one's big. Big. Big.
It's just big, yeah.
It's easy.
You gotta find one.
They're quite high up. They're all very, very high up. Where they all went?
Yeah, I'm losing them.
There's another one.
Okay, that's easy.
Came in the morning with long pants.
Yeah, with long pants. Groceries. We got our groceries. Look at how beautiful this ackee is.
Look at these views.
Gone grocery shopping. This is. Yeah, these mosquitoes are out to get us. They're out to get us. It's okay. Rotted. Yeah. That's okay. That's spirit telling me to walk on the earth.
I'm gonna borrow one of them.
River raft.
All of us. We just raft it down there, and then the deep is down there, and we go in the morning when the sun is on this side, and then the rocks, you can jump off of the rocks into the deep because it's deep.
Yeah, man.
Deep and
So you pull it out, and then you twist the seed off, and then you gotta take out this pink part, and then that's it. And then you just put it all in a separate bowl, and then wash it all off really good, and then it's ready to start cooking. And yeah, that's it.
Run out of power or Wi-Fi or what?
Eh?
Did you run out of power or what?
No, so when I quick, so we're making a beautiful farm to table meal tonight with some ackee, some plantains, some okra, moringa, and this was, what was it called? African something? Mint? Yeah. So we're gonna see what we can do with that. Yeah, man.
Oh, yes. Which one?